Here we are in section 1-3 exercises, numbers 25 through 30. We're going to just add these. We got to make sure they're lined up decimals or fractions with common denominators. So let's write that out. 2984 plus 151. Okay, now they're lined up appropriately. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 tens plus 5 tens is 13 tens. We write down the 3 and carry the 1 up, gives us an extra in the hundreds column. 100 plus 900 plus 100, that's 1100. That gives us an extra 1 in the thousands column, so 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3135. Good. Number 26. Close. Let's write it out here so we can see it. 15.346 plus 4.92, and that space there, that means there are 0 thousandths in the second number, 4.92. So 6 plus 0 is 6, and 4 hundredths plus 2 hundredths is 6 hundredths. 3 tenths plus 9 tenths is 12 tenths. That's 2 tenths. Carry a 1. The decimal comes straight down, so we have tenths and tenths is tenths, hundreds and hundreds is hundreds, thousands and thousands is thousands. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 20.266. All right, number 27. 5 and 2 sevenths, let's line these guys up. 5 and 2 sevenths plus, not 2 sevenths, 2 elevenths. Plus 7 and 10 elevenths. Good. And notice it's just like the place values over here with the decimals. 2 elevenths plus 10 elevenths, that's 12 elevenths. Okay, we're going to deal with that in a minute, but that's 12 elevenths. We're more than the elevenths can do. Over here, it was easy to carry, and so we're going to do that over here, but let's just double check. 5 plus 7 is a 12. Now, with the carrying, let's use a different color so we can identify what happens here. This 12 elevenths is actually breaks up into 11 elevenths, which is the number 1, and then there is 1 11th left over. So this is 11 elevenths are going to carry over and make 1 right there. So the end result is going to be 13 and 1 11th. Okay, double check that. That's a pretty tricky one. So it's just like when here we did 3 tenths plus 9 tenths was 12 tenths. We took 10 of those tenths and carried it up here to make this 1. Same thing happened. We took 11 of elevenths, and that's what carried over, and it left just that guy over there. So that is the 1 11th, and that one carried over to be the 1. We'll do that some more. All right, number 28. 7 thirteenths plus 7 and 4 thirteenths. 7 plus 4, that's 11 thirteenths, and 0 plus 7 is 7. Notice it's just fine. That's not bigger than 13, so it didn't have to carry over. It didn't fill up all the 13ths place. All right, the next one. Let's do number 29. 2 and 10 elevenths plus 935 and 6 elevenths. All right, so 10 elevenths plus 6 elevenths is 16 elevenths. Now I want you to look at that very carefully, and let's do that again over here. 16 elevenths. If we're talking about elevenths, that means 11 elevenths gets to carry over and carry a 1. And there is how many left over? 5 elevenths. Okay, so that's carrying just like what we did here, but it's based on the elevenths, not tenths or hundredths or thousandths. So really, we have 5 elevenths, and the 11 elevenths made that a 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. And then no carrying, and that's a 3, and that's a 9. Okay, let's go through that one more time. 10 elevenths plus 6 elevenths was 16 elevenths. And then we took 11 elevenths out of that, so that left 5 left, and that came up and became a 1. So you can kind of see how that works. You might have seen If you did it without the carrying, you would have had 937 and 16/11ths, and that carried over and made that a 1 there. That could also be beneficial. We'll do that on a couple of problems here. All right, so the next one. Oh, this is a big guy. 5,8,3,4,9.062 plus, let me see, the 7 goes under there, the 2 goes under there, the decimal point, yeah, 5,432. Oh, phew. Lining up decimals, we're back to carrying just by tens. That's a nice one. 2, good. 6 plus 7 is 3. Carry a 1. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 4 plus 3, that's 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. And we get 63781.332. Excellent. Okay,